Today I'll show you how to remove a background on an image in Adobe Illustrator. First go to View and turn on the transparency grid. You can also press Shift-Ctrl-D. Now you'll only see the background of your image. Select your image and up in the top bar, select Image Trace. Here you can choose between different modes to see which one works best. Now after your image is traced, go to Object and click on Expand. Now select the Direct Selection tool, either by clicking this icon and pressing A. Now you'll be able to select the background. You can move it or delete it. If you have an image where the background isn't a clear solid color, the tracing tool might struggle a bit. To fix it, you can make a custom mask. First create a new layer. Then lock the layer where your image is placed at by clicking on this icon next to the eyeball. Go to the layer above, zoom in, and click on the pen tool or use the shortcut P. Simply go around the part you want to mask out. Use the pen tool to make curves that fit the object. You can always fix up the curves by selecting the Direct Selection tool or pressing the shortcut A. You can click on individual dots and move them to your liking. You can also adjust the Bezier curves using these handles. Then simply keep on drawing using the pen tool. Remember, the more points that you have, the more precise your mask will be. If you get a part that covers up your screen, you can press this switch icon or use the shortcut Shift X to only leave the outline. Once you have a rough mask, you can click on the object and return it back to fill mode. Then you can fix up any errors you see by adjusting the dots or the Bezier curves. If you have a dot that is not a Bezier curve, you can use the shortcut Shift C to go to the curvature tool. Now simply click and drag on the dot and it will become a Bezier curve. Once you're happy with the result, unlock the layer, move the path to the bottom layer, select them both, go to Object, Clip and Mask, and click on Make. This will now mask out only the part that you drew over. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.